Welcome to the first in a series of videos covering the new Tracker V2 and its associated screens. Most of you are familiar with our legacy search system. Tracker V2 is a modernized version of that system. It was specifically engineered to allow easier access for mobile devices such as phones and tablets. It also was geared towards automated delivery and a more simplified interface to manage your bills. In this session, we will be handling the bulk bill action screen. This screen allows you to both make hot bills and to categorize them into company files. For simplicity, in the Tracker V2, we have separated out these actions. You no longer have to add a bill to a user file in order to make it a hot bill. First thing to do is log into the system. Once you've logged in, you'll see additional menu items appear. Navigate to the bulk bill action system by going to Tracker and picking the bottom item. First, let's talk about what a hot bill is and what a bill in a user file is. A hot bill is a bill you've marked as hot. Because of this notation, anytime an action takes place on this bill, you'll be notified by text and/or email. This is a major component to the SCIS system. You specify what bills are most important to you, and when we enter actions, you get notified. Similarly, a bill can be placed into a company file. Company files are like categories for bills. Many clients use these company files to group bills for sub-clients or by subject matter. The name of these company files are up to you and are specific to your company. Company files are extremely useful when it comes to searching and reporting. Both on-demand and scheduled reports can leverage company files to deliver customized reports, which can then be forwarded to clients. Starting with Tracker V2, there is no need to create or manage a manual hot bills company file. The system will automatically do this for you. In fact, the system automatically creates and manages two different company files related to hot bills. One is just for your hot bills, for your login, and another is for hot bills across your entire company, if you're a multi-login company. Bills that are only in user-managed company files, however, do not generate text messages or emails when status is changed. That's the big difference. The hot bill notation is for bills you need to know immediately when things change, and company files are for grouping bills together for reporting. Now, let's make some bills hot. On the top portion of the screen, you'll see a brief explanation which goes over what we just covered. Below that, you'll see a bulk hot bill section. This is a section we'll be using first to make bills hot in mass. The assembly will default to the 101st. Then we just fill in the bill list. This is a comma-delimited list of bill numbers. You can mix Senate and House in this list. Just add each with either an H followed by the bill number or an S followed by the bill number separated with a comma in between. Similar to this. House Bill 2, comma, Senate Bill 3, comma, House Bill 12, comma, Senate Bill 11, comma, House Bill 6, comma, House Bill 9, comma, House Bill 15, and so on. Once you've got your list completed, just click Mark as Hot Bill. And there, it's done. Without any errors showing on the screen, the move was successful. We've now marked all those bills as hot without having to go into each one individually. You can continue this as many times as needed. Don't worry about putting a bill in twice. This screen can only make a bill hot. It won't accidentally revert one to unhot. The only way to do that is to go into the bill detail screen of a bill. Now let's talk about adding bills to company files. It's a very similar process, except in this case we need to specify a couple extra things. So just under the hot bill section where we were working, you'll see a bulk add bill to company file section. Again, the assembly list is here. It'll default to the current assembly. In our case, that's the 101st. Then we get a bill list again. Just like before, enter your list of bills that you want to assign to a particular company file. House Bill 3, House Bill 12, House Bill 54, Senate Bill 3, Senate Bill 1. The order of the numbers don't matter, and like before, you can mix House and Senate. But all these will be put into the same company file, so make sure that they are either all for the same customer, all for the same subject matter, or however your company files are decided. Next, we have to decide if we're going to put them into an existing company file or create a new company file for this grouping of bills. In our first scenario, we're going to add them to an existing company file. So for that, we're going to click the drop-down arrow, which will list all of our current company files. For our test, we're going to bulk these into pension bills. So I select pension bills from my drop-down, and then I click Add to Company File. Again, no error means everything worked. To go through this as if we were adding a new company file, we follow basically the same steps. So assembly, we make sure that we have the correct assembly. Again, it's 101st is our active assembly, so that's the one we leave. Then we enter our bill list. So House 1, House 3, House 5, Senate 3, Senate 15, etc., separated by commas. And then for the please choose a company file, we leave that at the add to new company file specified below. And then in the text box below, we enter the name of the new company file we want to create. Sample company file for demo. In our case here. And then we click Add to Company File. Again, no errors, so everything works successfully. And if we click the drop-down arrow for our company file list, we will see that now in our company file list, we have sample company file for demo. So we did in fact create the company file that we did in the previous step. Now, a bill may belong to multiple company files, so you can definitely repeat this step time and again. Just like in hot bills, it will not take a bill out of a company file if you double enter it. The only way to remove a bill from a company file is by going to that bill's detail in the bill detail screen. Now we've set all of our bills up as hot or in the proper company files. That wraps up this tutorial. Stay tuned for additional video tutorials on our new V2 tracker and user screens. We're happy to help you with any issues you may encounter. Just email scis@scisinc.com or call and one of our support staff will be happy to help. If you're watching this video and don't yet have the SCIS bill tracking service, please call our sales staff at 217-523-6422 and we'll gladly set you up with a 30-day free trial. Again, thank you for being an SCIS customer and let us know how we can help you.